Hi, my name's Melanie Hussell, and the word of the week is hierarchical. Another nightmare for most of my clients. Let's have a look at this word. How many syllables? Hi, ra, ki, cool. Hierarchical. 5 syllables. Now let's have a look at the individual sounds of those syllables. First syllable, h, I, long vowel. Second syllable, short, unstressed vowel. Third syllable, r, r, long vowel. Fourth syllable, k, I, short vowel. Final syllable, k, unstressed short vowel. Ooh, cool. Now let's put all of those sounds together. Hierarchical. Where is the stress? Hierarchical. Yes, it's on the third syllable. Now let's put this together into a sample sentence. Everyone here works quite independently. We're not very hierarchical. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And if you would like further help with your pronunciation or communication skills, do visit my site, Speak Up. Have a nice day.